Alright, so in this video, I also want to introduce one of the most powerful developing tools that we're going to use. And you know what? It's Chrome. You might think, well, Chrome is just a browser. It's just so much more than that. I just a few months ago, I think I went to these like the developer meetings of Chrome and meet with the Chrome folks, and they demonstrate the new functionality. At that time, it's like a no AI functionality for Chrome. Nowadays, there's like already AI embedded. You can even run large language models in Chrome. It's really powerful. So the way that we develop for Chrome, especially Chrome extension, uh, is changed a lot. The fundamental is not changed, but the mentality is changed. And also, I think this also bring out the opportunity of being a developer that you can utilize, and you can make Chrome as sort of your traffic source. Okay, because a lot of people using Chrome, using their AI functionality, so sort of the Google is using Chrome as a sort of education to the user. The user gets the habit of like using Chrome and using the AI functionality, and all this functionality that you develop as a Chrome extension is already there. So your user is already there. They already download it. It's not like you develop a native app that need to download an app for it. It's not like they need to buy a certain hardware for it. The most of your users already like installed Chrome, and you just need to like click a boom. Your app is already like on that person's like client web browser. Okay, that's just so brilliant. So what I want to introduce is make the full use of Chrome. Okay, really important. You just go to developer.chrome.com. Okay, and you know what? I use Chrome to go to developer.chrome.com. Okay, and you can see the powerful web make easier when you see this video. And maybe it's just a different title, doesn't really matter. But you just go there. You got tons of resources, case studies, blog, news in Chrome, and all that. Is really detailed and powerful capabilities that demonstrate, and they give you the sockets. As a developer, you can use this a lot. And things where built developers, I think you need to change it, especially if you're new to the world of developing. With developer, we stick with a certain platform, and that platform will give us the API and new features and all that. We utilize that. We make some, like we are sort of an entrepreneur, right? We make that available resources, we combine that, we add logic above that layer, and then we sell that to the customer. Okay, that's, I think, is a lot of like pure teachers of teach you how to develop things. They sort of omit this. Okay, although they ignore this, because you're essentially you are a entrepreneur. You are using this API to combine them together with or without help of AI. That is just some of the processing, not the end product. We're aiming for create something that can solve the client's problem. That's the ultimate goal here. And you're going to sell that to a client. That's the fundamental entrepreneur business owner's mentality that I want to share that to you. That's the reason when I develop apps, as well as like Chrome extension, for example, I got features because, you know, they think that I first follow the developing process and follow the rules, and it's a very good practice. And you know what? I got tons of users, and I solve a specific problem that's, a lot of developers do not solve. So that's the reason that the official like Chrome store like select my like Chrome extension as a featured extension, because they do solve a certain problem with a pretty elegant code. Okay, so I want at the very beginning of this series to sort of share one of my take of how developer works. Okay, But let's go back. So the powerful web and make it easy and all that. So basically just what I call the doc site, right? The documentation site. But it's so much more. You can see and learn a lot of things. But remember, it's just a documentation, so you can see all the documentation. So how to see that, develop tools, Lighthouse, reports, and all that, page workflow, Chrome driver, Puppeteer, all that. So basically, you can get tons of information on here, and you can see that inside the doc, we can get this build with Chrome. We can get productivity, experience, resources, right? You can see all the documentation, and I also develop apps like not only Android apps, web app, as well as iOS, and also develop a game. I develop tons of things. I'm like a crazy person, writing code all day, right? Doing projects all day. So I think arguably, because I have seen different platforms, I think Google's documentation is pretty good. Okay, and I have to give them credit. Apple is also pretty good, and they got a great event. But Google's documentation is really developer friendly. Okay, so you can find a lot of resources here. Okay.